Nerd Digital Brew.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to use QuickTime Player as a recorder or a screen capture device. And I'm actually shooting this film from my phone because once you start recording, it doesn't show you the setup. And I want you to see how to set this up. So when you open QuickTime, it's not just a player, it's actually a great tool. So we're going to click File. And notice you can make a new movie recording, which if I did that, you're going to see me, which means it's going to record me talking. So you could use this as a tool for you if you want to communicate with students. And I'll talk to you about uploading your video to another platform here in a minute, but you could actually reach out or just talk directly to students by using movie recording. You could also use audio recording. And this is a great helpful tool. Let's say you want to have students play an instrument and record it. You can show them this video and say, I want you to make a new audio recording, which is going to give you this button. If you notice, it's registering that I'm speaking. And if I click on the little toggle to the right of the record button, you want to make sure your students are using the internal microphone to do that. Or if they have a microphone, like my students could often use a Snowball or other device and then choose that. If that internal microphone is not noted, they might record and not capture audio. And as a teacher, you're going to have to be able to troubleshoot them through sometimes these issues. Okay, so that's audio recording. Also under QuickTime, and again, I can make what's called a screen recording, and that's really handy for capturing content on your desktop. When you do that, and you're going to see my version's a little different. Down here at the bottom, I have these options to record just a portion of my screen or my entire screen. And when I do that, capture selected window, capture selected portion, or entire screen. Those are my options. And also notice that my options, I can choose how long my stuff is going to be and where it saves to, which, I can actually save my content to my desktop. I can also check where that content's going to go, but I want to make sure that I don't have a timer turned on so it doesn't automatically turn off, and that I have my audio options as ready to go, because you want to make sure your audio is up and cooking. So when you are ready to record then and capture your content, you just hit capture or record, and a little black dot is going to appear on the top of your screen. And notice kind of as my screen as relative, so you can see that black dot. So right now, I'm recording this on my phone and on my desktop, okay? So I'm gonna click stop. When I do, my content that I just recorded actually shows up on my desktop. See how this is a recording of the content I just did? And that video that I just captured can be uploaded to YouTube or to any other platform that you need to use for a lesson. And it's going to make you an MP4 file, I do believe. Let me check and make sure. There it is. It's actually making you a .mov file. Let me move this over so you can actually see it. Right there it is, screen recording, and how it's actually that file. It's a .mov file, okay? And that can be then uploaded to YouTube or used as a presentation.